Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to today's quick virtual walk around of our stunning new arrival. It is, for a better want of a word, the Nardo Grey Skoda Octavia VRS. Now, funny story, this is the third attempt at doing this video. I went to do one earlier and my phone died. I did it again after my phone was charged, but I didn't click record. So hopefully you're all watching this safe and sound. But what this car does, what I can't do, is offer a fantastic amount of unique selling points and key features. So we're going to start off around this side. You can see you've got that gorgeous Nardo grey look on there. It's a solid colour, nice, rich, vibrant, and against a contrasting black and chrome, looks fantastic. Moving down, you've got your multi-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. Now they are of course in titanium grey and chrome, and you've got the red caliper as well. Moving around, you have of course got your headlights, and you've got dual sections of that as well. And you move down, you've got your LED strip here. You can see you've got gloss black package on this. You've got the honeycomb grille effect on the bottom, the mesh. Then up top, as part of the black styling pack, the black VRS specific grille as well. Now on there, you can also see you've got the black Skoda badging and gorgeous lines to make you look a little bit more aggressive. You've got sports suspension to give it a lowered ride height. You've got the gloss black door mirrors just here. You can see black window surround as well. Gloss black B-pillars, tinted privacy glass slightly, and a roof on top, the electronically operated panoramic roof, which will open a little bit later. Moving around, part of the sports styling pack, you can see you've got extended side skirts, gorgeous shut lines, body coloured door handles. And then you move around the sloping curvaceous exterior, a proper rear wing, rear fin, rear spoiler, whatever you want to call it. It's an old school cool thing. Tinted privacy glass, rear wiper, rear LED lights, Octavia, VRS, Skoda, and 4x4 badging as well. Now the 4x4 means it's four-wheel drive, and that means it's a very rare option. When we took this in the part exchange, we do tend to check the market, and there was only 3 or 4 of these about, none of which were in this specific colour. So this could even be a great opportunity for an investment. You can see dual exit chrome exhaust alongside rear parking sensors. You've also on there got the black diffuser as well. Now to open the boot, you can use a key, or you can lift it up just there, but you'll need to open the car first. And if I hold the button down on the boot, you'll see, you'll hear it unlock. Then you lift the latch up and you're greeted by a pretty enormous amount of space. No issues, no problems with storing pretty much anything you'd need, and you've also got the load through option just there. Shut the boot down, just pull it gently, shut it, latch it, you can see that locks. And as I like to say in the videos, presentation is absolutely fantastic. I don't lie, and neither does the camera. You can see this the exact same way I am, and it looks absolutely wonderful. Rare colour, rare spec, great option, and it is a fantastic all-rounder. Now, we're not going to stop, we're going to head on inside now. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up the VIP section. Again, would help if this idiot right here had opened the car up. Now he has. You can see you're greeted by some of the best seating in the game. VRS is stitched with a fabric in there. You can see moving down, you've got the quilted fabric seating, very similar to the Super Sport Napa leather seating on an Audi, but it's fabric. You've got the Alcantara in the bolsters and the red contrast stitching. Moving up and round, you can see you've got that as well. No rips, no stains, no tears, no marks. And in here, you can of course see you've got the fold and lowered through option just there as well. Moving around and across, plenty of leg room. You've also of course got the leather backing on the seat just there, and they are the sports seating. Now on here you've got your geometric 3D cube design or carbon fibre effect, depending on which way you want to look at it. Very similar to a checkered flag. And then we get in, and you can see you're greeted by a fantastic spec inside. Whoever's parked this car is going to get shocked because the steering wheel's the wrong way, but we'll forgive on this occasion. You can see here you've got the VRS on the sport seating. Again, gorgeous quilted fabric design with the Alcantara on the bolsters. You've got manually adjustable seats. You've got your VRS badging along the door inlay. Stainless steel sports pedals. You come across and you can see you've got that checkered flag or carbon fibre effect, again in high gloss lacquer. Come across, round down, you've got the leather, the Alcantara, and on here electric mirrors, electric windows, and they are heated as well on the mirrors. Now, coming inside, you can see you've got auto headlights, you've got your storage box here, and you can see you've got chrome and gloss black all the way across. A really, really nice option. And there's a whole overview seating. It is absolutely pristine in here. Anthony, who bought the car for us recently and part exchanges, it's a credit to you how well this has been looked after. Now, turn it on, turn the key, turn it 3/4, and then you'll be able to see you'll have a pop-up message about fuel, which we'll put in very, very shortly. But you can see you've got pretty much everything on there that you would need. Now, in order to turn it on, you've got the little display here, DSG. You can see you've got the options on here. Now, you've got an analog display, black dials, you can see white and red, contrast font and needling. You've also got your lane assist options. Your mileage is just under 54,000. Now, if we go back, we've got the options just here. So you can see vehicle settings, you've got the fuel, which we know we need to do. Driving data, digital speedo, average speed, distance, journey, AdBlue range. You've got all the different options on there. Assist systems, you can see you've got lane assist. Scroll down, you can go out of that. You've got navigation, audio, Bluetooth telephone, and vehicle settings. Again, for us, we're going to keep on the assist systems just there. Moving down from that, on here you've got cruise control with speed limiter, of course. Just here you can set it. And on this side you've got your auto wipers. Steering wheel, what's really cool about this is they've done the opposite of what many people do. So here they've got a quarter sized part of the steering wheel in soft touch nappa leather, red contrast stitching, and then the entirety of the remaining 3/4 is in the perforated leather, textured, vibrant, bold, and aesthetically very, very easy on the eye. Part of the gloss black pack, you can see all the way across. You've got it on your inlays, you've got your assist, your view options, you've got your menu, and of course you've got voice control, volume control, and paddle shift on the back for the sports drivers amongst us. And on the bottom, a nice VRS logo. Now, moving across here, you can see air vents, and then you come down, you're on the radio. You can see on here you've got DAB, FM and AM. Media options, you've got lots of different options. SD card ×2, one of them is of course navigation. USB, Bluetooth, WLAN. You've got your Bluetooth mobile, such as how Anthony's done it before. Voice control, just there. You've got navigation, high contrast, high resolution display. Really, really able to see everything, really simple to use. Apps, you can see you've got SmartLink, so you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. That is of course subject to your device compatibility. Car, you can change your different options on here. TPMS, vehicle status, go on selection. You can change your convenience consumers. You can change how well you're driving on your go green, driving data, and vehicle status as well. Driving data is just here. Now if you click on car, click on settings, you can see you can change your tyres. You've got personalisation on here for your driving accounts. You've got your lighting, switch on time, automatic lights, daytime runners, travel mode as well on there, coming home, leaving home function. Driver assistance, adaptive lane guidance, and driver alert. Parking and manoeuvring, you can change the option of your rear park pilot. You've also got your mirrors and wipers. You can see you can have your mirrors synchronous adjustment. And you've got your service and other bits here. Your service isn't due for a very, very long time. So that means plenty of smiles are waiting for you. And on here, SmartLink, Media Command, Skoda Connect, Images, Sound, Aircon. Now I want to click on the aircon. You see it brings up a gorgeous virtual interpretation of your cabin. And on there what you can do if you turn it on, you can see you can change all the different options. You can head in, you can come out, you can pan out. And on there, when you change the temperature, on the screen it gives you an interpretation of the heat as well, so it's visual as well as normal. Now on there you can change the fans, you can change the manual to auto, you can do your heated front screen. I mean, there's so many different options you can do. And of course it's dual zone, meaning separate temperatures across the cabin for the driver and passenger. Now if you go on air care, You can see it's deactivated at the minute, but you can put it on if you need to. We turn it on. You can have air care on there, so that gives you the purest and cleanest of air. Moving down, you've got the old school setup, so you've got the digital temperature here, max, heated front screen, heated rear screen. You can turn it off, you can sync it, and of course you've got recirculation here. Moving down, USB. You also down here got further storage. You've got traction control, you've got auto start stop, central locking, and drive select mode. Now these come up with real crisp, clear, high definition images. Really cool, and really bring a different air and fragrant vibrance to the cabin. Eco, normal, sport, you can see is now on a track, and individual. Click on individual, you can change the steering, the drive, the cornering light, the aircon, and the engine sound. So if you change this, you can change it through the speakers. You of course have the synthesized noise coming in. Moving from there, geometric design. You've got the DSG gearbox, absolutely faultless on there, really simple. Napa leather, red stitching, chrome, leather, and you've got a lever on the back. Push it down into reverse, you'll hear it beep. You'll also see the R in the top corner, and you'll hear your parking sensors. Deploy it on here. Put it down, you're in drive. Now you'll see on there, in the top right hand corner, D1. Change it to S1. S1 is of course your sport driving mode. You've also of course here got the option to use it manually, so it's a semi-automatic gearbox. And what's great about this is even in the colder months, thanks to the four-wheel drive system, you can use this to change through the ice and snow and treacherous conditions. Down changes down the gear, up changes up. You've also got 12-volt charger, key holder, storage. You can remove that, so you've got dual cup holder, old school handbrake with the black and red leather gear gaiter, leather armrest. Lift that up and you can see you've got further storage as well. And lastly, pan roof. Now on there you can move the sunroof out, and you can also turn this all the way, and you can see that lifts, tilts and pulls back the electronic sunroof. Very cool option, and again one that's really going to make this a great investment opportunity. Moving down and round, you can see the sun blind. Just pull it, easy as 1, 2, 3. And that, guys, is pretty much everything. And don't forget, you've got the ambient lighting in here as well. Now, my honest opinion, if you're looking for an alternate choice that's still German built, German minded, solid, reliable, practical, overperforming and great looking, then the Skoda Octavia VRS 4x4 is a sensational choice. It's basically an Audi with a cheaper coat on it. It is a truly wonderful car. Now, what else to remember about this Skoda? Along with every other car here at Emerald, it has of course been treated to the 128-point check prior to retailing. What that means is that this car has been given a thorough cosmetic and mechanical inspection at our on-site RAC approved facility before I've made this video. It also means that this car is going to be in peak condition for your arrival. We've also given it an oil and filter service to ensure there's no confusion or cross-contamination on any products that have been used in the past. Now, in terms of financing, we've got over 30 of the market leading partners that can offer you some of the best APR rates in the game today. And if you combine that with a class leading click and deliver option, then you pretty much understand why we are called probably the best car dealership in the UK. For me, thank you very much for your 12.5 minutes of time. I really appreciate it, and more importantly, I really hope to hear from you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course, everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time holding the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC-approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10, obviously.
10.
10, I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million, straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
UK.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.